In this video, we'll look at 4 ways to create nonlinear terms in Rstudio. There are different ways to check for nonlinear effects in a regression model. First up, here are 2 ways to create a quadratic term of a continuous variable. If x is our continuous variable in the model, we can create a new variable with the nonlinear term by calculating the variable multiplied by itself. Or we can do the same with a power notation. In both cases, we'll add up the quadratic term as an extra term in the regression model. We can also create this quadratic term on the fly by specifying the model with I, a capital I. Rstudio will include this extra variable in the calculations. You should use whatever is most transparent to you because it's all the same for the calculations. The last way is an alternative approach, using a categorical variable based on the continuous one. In the first step, we recode into a categorical variable and then we replace the continuous variable with the categorical one. When deciding how to deal with nonlinearity in your model, check the assumptions. In the social sciences, you don't normally want polynomials greater than 2. They may fit the data, but they are near impossible to interpret in a substantial way. By contrast, don't hesitate to use a quadratic term and categorical variables as alternatives to check robustness.